Feeling like you lost yourself after divorce? Let's rebuild your confidence one step at a time. Step 1. Acknowledge the emotional impact. Confidence doesn't come back overnight. Allow yourself to feel the loss before rushing into reinvention. Step 2. Identify what shaped your worth. Your value was never dependent on your relationship. Reconnect with the strengths you had before and the ones you gained during. Step 3. Rewrite your inner dialogue. Your self talk matters. Use CBT based reframing to replace thoughts like I'm not enough with I am growing, and that's powerful. Step 4. Set boundaries that affirm you. Boundaries aren't just about others, they remind you of what you deserve. Step 5. Practice confidence even before you feel it. Confidence is built through action. Show up scared, speak up unsure. Each step grows the muscle. You're not starting from scratch, you're starting from strength. Let's build your confidence back together.